Hello everyone, welcome to Take It Easy. Today we are going to unbox the whole new Moto C Plus. So let's see. This is the box that it comes in. Yeah, pretty good, colorful box. Let me just open it. And this is the phone. Oops. Just peel this off. This is the phone. Pretty nice look. For a 7,000 phone, it is pretty nice. Like gives an executive feel. Here is a 3.5 mm standard headphone jack, charging port, and a back speaker, which is not the case with Moto G5. Okay, so we'll start it. Let's look what inside the box. I've already opened this. So here's a charger, USB cable, standard earphones, and a user manual. And this is safety and regulation. We don't need this right now. So I'll just put the batteries in. I've already put the batteries. So we'll just try to restart it. We'll try to start it.
Hello, Moto.
Typical Moto startup screen. Pretty nice display. So the look and feel of the overall phone for a 7,000 rupees piece is pretty decent. It comes with a back 8MP camera and a front 2-megapixel camera with front facing flash, which is pretty good for selfies. So the typical 7.0 standard Nougat interface, pretty handy to operate. Okay, let's just walk through. So we'll go through about phone. We'll check for the version, the Nougat. Overall, the performance of this phone is pretty decent. So if you're buying anything under 7,000 or 10,000 rupees, this piece seems pretty much good. If you want the more detailed review, leave it in comments, and I'll try to make a full in-depth review of this phone. So thank you. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.